Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's edition of Canon News. In the last week or so, we've gotten a few tidbits of information out of Canon. First and foremost is the talk about the new EOS-R replacements. For years now, people have been waiting patiently for the EOS-R Mark II. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that's what we're going to get at all. There will be a direct replacement for the EOS-R, but it will not be named the Mark II. Canon has decided to go with a new naming scheme that we currently do not know for this new full-frame camera. We're expected to have an announcement for this camera sometime by the end of this year, or possibly by the very beginning of 2023, as they are expecting a early 2023 release date. Now, due to a number of factors, that could potentially change, but that seems to be where they're aiming at right now. From a price point standpoint, it looks like this new camera is going to be sitting right below the Canon R6 in price range. So my guess for this is maybe around $2,000, as we have the R7 at $1,500 to $1,700. We've got the R6 at about $2,400. That $2,000 price point seems to be a good middle point for this new full frame camera, or at least somewhere within $100 of that price point. Now, as of now, we have not heard anything else in regards to the $900 full frame camera that had been talked about in the last year. It's quite possible, due to the issues in supply chain, getting parts for these cameras, that this project may have been put on indefinite hold or at least delayed for quite a bit longer, as this would have been a direct replacement camera for the Canon EOS-RP, where Canon ends up landing on that unit. Now, moving on to some lens news. Unfortunately, the upcoming Canon 35mm 1.2 has been pushed back to 2023. We were expecting a release date of this year, and tons of people have been waiting for this specific 35mm lens for quite some time. While we don't know the exact reason of the pushback, it is speculated that Canon wants to announce 2 additional L lenses with this lens, one of which possibly being a 24mm 1.4 and the other possibly being a 135mm 1.8. So as of now, we are just going to have to sit back and wait for Canon to decide when they are going to announce and release these new lenses. Now, that's all I've got for you guys for this edition of Canon News. As always, if you liked the video or found it helpful, please hit that like button, as it's going to help this video and it's going to help our channel greatly. Also, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this in the future, as well as camera and tech related how-to and review videos. Also, if you want to help out the channel, please consider checking out some of the merch in the merch shelf down below. And with that being said, until next time.